benchmark combat drone Akıncı on Wednesday underwent a successful flight test, and Akıncı drones are now combat ready, with upgraded engines that make it the most advanced platform in its class. Equipped with two engines of 750 horsepower each, the Akıncı unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, stayed in the air for an hour and 16 minutes. After took off from the training and test center of its developer Baykar in northwestern Tekirdağ district, its developer Baykar said. With a total of 1,500 horsepower engine, makes it the world's most powerful and highest combat-capable unmanned combat aerial vehicle in its class. The initial model Akıncı A, the first of which was delivered to the Turkish security forces in late August last year, is equipped with engines of 450 horsepower each for a total of 900 horsepower. 6 of them have entered the inventory so far and have been actively used by the Turkish armed forces, Baykar says. Akıncı marks the most advanced and sophisticated drone built by the country, which has been expanding a fleet that has already proved its success in the field. The aircraft, whose designs, software, avionics, and mechanics all belong to Baykar, is more advanced than the company's Bayraktar B2 UCAV, which has been widely used and sold to a range of countries including Ukraine. Bayraktar B2 earned worldwide fame following its deployment in conflicts in Syria, Libya, and the Nagorno-Karabakh, many other nations expressing interest in buying this drone. Its upgraded version is expected to perform its maiden flight this year, currently under development at the Baykar facilities. Baykar has completed an export deal for the Akıncı with 2 countries, said CEO Haluk Bayraktar. Deliveries are aimed to be made periodically starting from 2023. Having made its first export, Baykar completed $664 million worth of drone sales last year, and negotiations are ongoing with many countries interested in Akıncı. Akıncı is longer and wider than the Bayraktar B2 and can perform strategic tasks. It has a 20-meter wingspan, with its unique twisted wing structure, and is equipped with fully automatic flight control and a triple redundant autopilot system. Akıncı can carry various weaponry. It is also able to launch several other types of locally made munitions, such as the Roketsan-built standoff missile, SOM, a long-range air-to-surface cruise missile that can hit targets up to 150 miles away. Baykar says, the Akıncı can attack targets both in the air and on the ground. It can also operate alongside fighter jets and fly higher and stay in the air longer than Turkey's existing drones. The UCAV made its maiden flight on December 6, 2019. Before it passed its first firing test in late April last year. After Akıncı E, an even more advanced model, Akıncı C, equipped with 950 horsepower engine, a total of 1,900 horsepower, will be coming soon, said Bayraktar.